Good morning, guys. I'm tired. And I'm going to Best Buy. Let's go, and here's the intro. Someone left their bird in the car. I'm not kidding you, that thing's real. Move. Do you see it moving? See? I'm not kidding. That's a real bird. Oh my god, look at the parking lot. This isn't even Best Buy's parking lot. Black Friday, crazy stuff. Look at all of that. That's insane. And this isn't even Best Buy's parking lot, this is like a church. I'm sorry too, some people just don't know how to drive, especially in a parking lot. Are we going that way? Look at, that's insane. I love Black Friday, it's just, this is why I don't like it. What? Not here. How many of you guys go Black Friday shopping? Just a random question of the day. How many of you are those people that wait out in line too, like camp out overnight? How many of you guys do that? I'm sure a couple of you guys do. Look at the line. That is crazy. Can you guys see that? Oh my god. The store is packed. I'm sure it was more packed last night though. People usually don't like to get up in the morning and do it because the store opened at like midnight. So like more people were up, so I'm sure the lines were like so much more busier then. But it's like crazy. Look guys, it's your family. That's where I bought you. I wonder if toilet seats are on sale. Fitz elongated balls. Wood. No, toilet seats aren't on sale. Dang. And now we are at Home Depot, and I'm not going to be as entertaining as usual because I'm so tired for some reason. I don't know why, but whatever. Want a balloon? Here, this can entertain you. There. And now we made our way to Taco Bell because we... What the hell? Did you puke?
You should do the thing where I'm like, oh. You should do it. You should do it. Like, you know what I mean? Like the P one?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it?
Not right now because I'm hungry. Okay.
I'm so full. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, I don't feel good. Why are you recording this? It's nasty.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to burp into the microphone. You got grease on you. What the hell is wrong with you? And now we are at Target. You kind of read my mind.
I know.
So I'm not going to do it. And you guys won't know what I was going to do. I haven't vlogged much here. We haven't vlogged much. Want to be on the vlog? On the vlog?
Don't touch me.
Oh. Dang. Clean up on aisle 15. Ha ha ha.
Zach, why did you do that? Seriously?
Oh, that was kind of accidental. It kind of just fell and I don't know. Oh god. I would like to stick my snake. Hey, oh, God. We're gonna get kicked out. I say that every time she does that, don't we? God. Well, good night.